There have been peer-reviewed publications about putting topical products onto cancer patients being irradiated, and the worry was that a topical product on the patient would somehow focus the radiation into a particular spot and give a high dose in one area and a low dose in another. But the peer-reviewed publication finds that this is not the case, that you put a topical product onto the skin, it will not focus the radiation to an area. It allows the radiation to be spread across in a uniform manner, just as it normally is. And this is what we have found using the NeoGenesis products with people being irradiated. They have a nice efficacy, as they normally would with the irradiation. Furthermore, using the NeoGenesis recovery product, for example, patients find that they have less damage to the skin and a quicker recovery time. This technology is simply putting into the skin many of those proteins that are normally in the skin when the skin is young and healthy. And so it's not adding anything foreign to the skin. It's simply restoring to the skin what was there when it was young and healthy. And so there's no untoward effects of the NeoGenesis S²RM technology to your patients who are with cancer and are going through irradiation and/or chemo.